what are those 10 important signs. Using these signs, you can definitely assess whether the resource is a good programmer or not a good programmer. The first sign would be if the person is weak in mathematics. If the person is not able to solve the complex problems or the person is not able to solve the complex algorithms, then he is not a perfect fit for a good programmer. The second sign is if you are not good in analytical skills, then you cannot be a good programmer. If you are weak, then definitely I recommend not to choose as a developer or a computer programmer, because that is going to overkill you if you are not having this kind of skills in you. The third is lack of focus. Not have a focused attention even for a couple of hours, then you cannot be a good programmer. Especially this computer programming skills requires you should work for long hours. And the fourth is if you are not a good debugger, if you are not able to trace the application, you are not able to do a good debugging, then you cannot be a good computer programmer. The fifth is lack of self-learning. Being a computer programmer, you should always learn new techniques, new strategies in yourself by learning through self-learning. Sixth is, if you are, as I said earlier, if you are not able to put in yourself for a long hour to solve the problem or to find the solution, then you cannot become a computer programmer at all. Seventh important sign here is if you are not looking for the details. If you are not looking for the details, if you do not have enough information, if you are not asking, then you cannot become a good programmer. The seventh would be lack of curiosity. If you are not able to ask questions, you are not able to watch the things, then you cannot become a good programmer. The eighth would be you should be having a good communication skills. Being a computer programmer, you will be required to work with various stakeholders, various people in your organization. You should have a good communication skills. In that means you should be able to write emails that can easily communicate to other person, or you should be able to talk in a simple plain English so that you should be able to easily communicate other side person. Seventh is you should have a high patience. If you are lacking patience, then definitely you cannot become a good programmer. The 10th skill here is you should love to code being a computer programmer. If you have passion, definitely you can become a good programmer. Even whatever the skills which I spoke about, last 9 skills, even if you do not have as on today, if you are built in yourself a passion to learn those, and if you are able to adapt, definitely you can become a good computer programmer.